In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix Instagram photo access not working on your iPhone. So if you're currently facing that exact issue, well, actually me myself, I had the exact same issue myself just a couple of minutes ago, but I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it basically. So what you're going to do first is to just close your Instagram app. So just close your Instagram app and now open up your settings app instead. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, then what you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down in here and then find Instagram. So find Instagram and then click on the Instagram app in here. Now what you're going to do in here is to just click on photos, as you can see. And you're now just going to actually switch. If you, for example, have this one set to none before, just switch it to all photos, because now you will just give Instagram access to all your photos. You can also click on selected photos in here and then just select a few in here, as you can see, and then click on done in the top right corner. But if you want to be able to do it much easier, just click on all photos and it's just going to auto give access to all your photos basically. So that is exactly how to fix this issue.